Access privilege groups is the method that gives users access or no access to readers. Users with the same level of access can be placed into one group, while users with other access needs can be placed into different groups. To add an access privilege group, click on the Access Privilege Groups icon in the Day-to-Day section. The Access Privilege Groups screen displays all previously created access privilege groups in a list. Click the Add button to create a new access privilege group. If Active Directory is configured in the system, then the group type can be either local or LDAP. Enter the access privilege group name and a description if needed. Select the partition where the access privilege group will be created. Note that only readers from that partition will be available. The User section shows a list of the users configured in the system with access to the partition selected. Users are optional when creating an access privilege group and can be added later. The Reader section shows a list of all readers configured in the system to the partition selected. Select the checkbox to the left of the reader to give the access privilege group access. Use the drop-down menu on the right side to select the user time zone that will apply to this group for that reader. Users belonging to this access privilege group will now have access to the selected readers based on the user time zone selected. Unchecked readers will deny access to users belonging to this access privilege group, unless the user belongs to an additional access privilege group that does give them access. A user cannot belong to two access privilege groups that have the same reader selected. Once all the readers have been selected with an appropriate user time zone, the access privilege group can be created. Remember that users can be added at a later time as needed and can be added to different access privilege groups as long as there are no reader conflicts. Press the Create button to create the access privilege group in the selected partition.